Blink. All at once. Just because you're Korean doesn't mean you have to do Gangnam Style. Why do you need a mag? Stupid. So dumb. Just weighing you down.
What's that? Yeah. It was either me or you, but someone shot through this hole earlier. Just missed Dave, fucker.
Just missed Dave? Yeah, I was shooting through it too.
Yeah, I know. So one of us actually got through it, and like, he was the best part. He was actually just about to come out and check through the hole.
Yo, please throw a smoke grenade in the embassy.
You want to throw a smoke grenade in the embassy?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll
Is somebody aiming at us?
You gotta get close to that.
Is somebody right there?
This shadow is there. Just told you today. I can see his head above the fucking embassy wall. That's fucking great.
That one kid?
Yeah, I told you. Well, I
sucks.
think there's a head above the embassy wall, so either someone's climbing on our shit.
Smoke grenade? In the
Yeah,
embassy?
closer.
I know.
Where's Jake?
They went into the woods.
He loves bringing us on this shit.
I'll do it.
Yeah, let's get closer first. We got gear. It's shadow. Let's get close. Shoot and walk. Shoot and walk.
Oh my god. Thunderbird or smoke grenade? Smoke grenade first and Thunderbird?
I guess so.
Yeah, we should definitely do that. We fucked up.
Forward, though. We need forward. We gotta go in the house. Definitely they hit with friendly fire.
I definitely got him. Seriously.
You need to get over there.
Ooh. I got him, come on. I didn't get you?
Can we smoke from here?
Come on, man. I got you too. Got 2 or 3 people.
Nice.
Come on, I'm not even inside yet.
Whoa!
That went off earlier.
Is that a Thunderbee?
It's a tornado.
Nice. Somebody's just trying to safe to cross over.
You doing it?
Oh shit.
Are you doing it?
Whoever's gonna do it, whoever will get it in there.
You want to cross over?
Wherever you're, yeah. Hold on.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Where's it coming from?
From the door you were just shooting at.
Oh. Let me cover you while you cross?
Hold on.
You want to throw smoke?
It's clear now if you want to get over.
Go. Cover the door for me. You got the door?
Oh, they're behind the plywood over there.
Where? They're not in the house?
Oh, there's 2 guys this way. Behind the plywood? And behind him there.
I should throw smoke over the house.
Oh, I think
Are we smoking them? Are we going to smoke them?
I'm trying to see when you shot them, so we gotta smoke someone.
That's just going to sneak past.
Yeah, you definitely think it's the guys over there shooting them.
I can't see how far they are. Oh, I see them.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's them. You can't get through, this shit's not gonna work.
Got him.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I still got the guy who's covering behind him. You shut the door. Door is not there.
What?
Door is not there.
Smoke grenade?
yourself in the face.
Should I throw the smoke grenade in the embassy? From here?
You get it in through the doorway.
I can't throw it over the roof?
I mean, you can, I guess.
Oh, there's shit. Watch it, watch it. No. Got him. Am I throwing this? In the embassy?
Yeah, might as well. Shit.
Is the door clear?
Right now it is.
Come on. That's it.
Right on. Oh, it's definitely willing up in there.
On the rig. I'll cover you if you want. Watch your head.
Shit. Behind the plank. You want to move up to the embassy?
Yeah. Definitely throw Thunder to be in there first. Crossover?
Open the ball.
Watch the door. You're out.
Hey!
How many?
Everywhere. All the room.
That man. That man. That man walking.
Oh, right in the forehead.
Kill the springer!
Dead man coming out!
Oh my happy little night boy. Oh my god, finally.
Right in the fucking forehead. Right in the fucking forehead.
What's up?
Hit! Definitely did get hit.
Greg, did you lose a pistol mag?
No.
Alright.
Hey. I got you covered. Go to the corner, keep low. Keep low, keep low, and be careful. They're going to be right around the corner. If you can, dart over there and get into the corner as hard as you can. Fast. they're gonna be there. See, there you go.
Tell me.
You can get down.
Alright, I'm hit. Damn.
Crossover?
Huh?
You gonna cross over?
Oh, fuck it. 2 times I crossed over
Are they in here? Can you get a Thunder Bear in here?
I'll send it to you down the hole.
Friendly, I'm friendly.
Yep, take rolls in the doorway. Ah, damn it. Hey, we got pistol.
Oh shit! Contact by 12!
Where are they?
Come out, come out, come out! Put your hands on your head!
Fire!
In the front, in the front!
Oh.
Everyone's gonna shoot everyone apparently today. Did you get that guy out there? Nailed me.
We have the house.
What do we got? I was just so used to other guys being back there. It was like every time I came over here, it was like I had a shot off. It was like literally, I walked in, like, person, shoot!
Still no grenade launcher. What the hell?
The game! Game!
I gotta find my cores.
Here's one.